All right, here's a good question, number 11. And the question asks you to solve this. So they want to know every value of x that would make that statement true. And since it's a cubic, that means there's probably 3 solutions. So to solve this one, there's various ways to do it, but in class I said to solve this using group factoring. So you can factor an x squared out of the first, you're left with x squared plus 1, or 6x plus 1. The next one you can factor out a negative 36, and that leaves you with 6x plus 1 equals 0. And then look at this term and this term, they both share 6x plus 1, so I can put that up the front. Then I have x squared minus 36 equals 0. Now, you can do this a couple of ways. You could factor this, or you could set it equal to 0 and then solve. I'll maybe set it equal to 0. So let's go 6x plus 1 equals 0, and then x squared minus 36 equals 0. So if I add 36 to both sides, I get x squared equals 36, and then square root both sides. So you get x is equal to, remember when you do this rule that you need to have a plus or minus 6 there. And then this one I'll subtract 1 on both sides, and then divide both sides by 6. So my 3 answers, and I thought I'd have 3, are negative 1/6, a positive 6, and a negative 6. Now I can confirm that just by graphing it. So let's go into decimals here, and let's graph it. So it's y equals 6x cubed plus, I forget what it is. Oh, how did I do a bottom 3 like that? 6x to the third, okay, plus x squared, I think it was. And then it was minus 216x and a minus 36. I think that was right. Okay, good. So now I can take a look at this and see where those numbers cross. Notice it looks like a cubic. We did that in the next section, but I'm wanting to see where it crosses. So negative 6 is one, positive 6 is the other, and then negative 1/6, I think it's 0.166 or I don't know what it is. Oh, there it is, negative 0.1666. So those are the 3 points, that one, and that one, that I got down there when I solved the equation. Can I move this now? Oh, yeah. Whoops. When I solved the equation, that answer and that answer. All right, hopefully that helps you with that one. Good question.